What's up sa inyo mga idol, nandito na naman ulit si Jomil Tech at ang kanyang mahiwagang cellphone, at may magandang balita po tayo tungkol sa laban ng Gilas Pilipinas versus China. Makikita din dito parang nahirapan na ang China sa ating Gilas Pilipinas team, kasi nakasabay na tayo sa mga matatangkad na kalaban. At hindi ba natin ito itutuloy mga idol, huwag sana makalimutan sa portahan at mag-subscribe sa ating munting YouTube channel, at pakidamay na lang sa pag-share. Maraming salamat po. Dahil nanalo tayo sa ating kalaban na China, 4 lang naman na magkasunod ang ginawa ni Jordan Clarkson na 3 points, kaya biglang lumamang tayo ng husto sa ating kalaban na China, kaya nanalo tayo ng 20 plus na lamang, at yan ang nagbigay natin ng magandang balita para sa darating na Olympics. At eto po yung ang ating nakukuha na magandang balita para sa ating national team na Gilas Pilipinas at sa buong Philippines, eto po yung. Interestingly, Gilas made it to the Olympic qualifiers as the 24th placer with a 1-4 record while Mexico was 25th despite finishing 2-3. Why? It's because the Philippines finished second in Group M while Mexico ended up third in Group N. That finish guaranteed Gilas a place among the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, or 24th spots as the second placers in each of the 4 groups of the classification round. The Philippines ended up at 24th being the lone team among second placers Finland, New Zealand, and Lebanon to finish with a 1-4 win-loss record. Gilas Pilipinas, morale-boosting victory over China on Saturday evening assured the Philippines a spot to join the 2024 FIBA Olympic qualifying tournament. After 4 straight losses in the 2023 FIBA World Cup, Gilas rode on Jordan Clarkson's torrid third-quarter shooting to mow down China in their final game in the classification round to finish 24th place overall as per the final FIBA ranking. At hanggang dito na lang muna tayo mga idol, at maraming salamat po sa walang sawang panunood sa ating munting YouTube channel, at sana hindi kayo nakalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-share sa ating munting YouTube channel, paki-comment na lang mga idol, at pakilagyan na lang kung saang lugar kayo nakatira, para malaman naman natin kung hanggang saan eto aabot. Maraming salamat po.